Advances in technology, such as microservices and containers, continue to transform how businesses operate. Event-driven architecture, or EDA, is quickly becoming a preferred method for leveraging microservices for greatest impact. EDA is a way of designing applications and services to respond to real-time information based on the sending and receiving of individual events reflecting changes in the state of the world. From continually updating feeds in stock trader dashboards, to healthcare, to online shopping, event-driven architectures enable situational awareness across the entire organization and beyond, and make it possible to capture insights and communicate changes instantly. However, while EDA isn't new, traditional monolithic solutions fail to meet the new requirements for developing cloud-native applications. Red Hat can help. Here's how. The predominant technology for building EDAs is Apache Kafka, an open-source event distribution system that's fault-tolerant, high-throughput, low-latency, and horizontally scalable. Users often combine Kafka with Kubernetes, the emerging state-of-the-art cloud platform for scaling and operations of containers.